Gave into the Ninja Creami hype, and I have to tell you, it's worth the hype. So the other day, just to test it out, I tried the easiest sorbet, which was the can of pineapple. You just dump the can of pineapple in, freeze it overnight, run the machine, and it's perfect somehow. I don't understand the sorcery, but it works. So last night I put half a can of peaches, 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons of vanilla Greek yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of sucralose. I just made it up. I'm not really one for following directions or recipes, so we're gonna see how this one turns out. You have to freeze them overnight so that they're rock solid, basically. So we'll see what happens. There's a button on each side. You're just gonna press those simultaneously and twist off. Look at this. We're gonna do this one more time. Watch, it's just disgusting. It's fine the way it is, but I like it a little sweeter, so we're gonna add a scoop of Legion birthday cake whey. This is just a can of peaches. How do we do this? I don't know, and I don't care. Got my high protein milk. Just gonna put a little bit because I don't actually have much room in there. Looking back on it, I probably should have done this before I froze it. Oh, that's not enough milk. This is like a paste. That was dumb. Don't do this. A little bit more milk. I hope you're not following me for recipes because, oh no, this is gonna overflow. Okay, we're gonna do this in batches. Let's do this in batches. Okay. Gelato. Oh, turn it on first. Gelato. It is a little bit melted because I just put liquid into it, obviously, but look at that. It's like as if you left the ice cream out for an hour. That's good. I'm gonna add some vanilla. I'm gonna respin it one more time. This was extremely chaotic. This is really good, actually. I just respin it all day and then it's the perfect consistency. Not a complete failure. I'm not sponsored by Ninja. I did pay for this. And I think it's worth every penny, but feel free to sponsor me.